up, hold up. Hey everybody. I'm recording another video of Subway Surfers, and I got a special guest, which is my cousin. His name is Vaughn. But you can't hear him right now because I'm calling him on the phone. But yeah, let's get into this. They can't hear you.
Oh, okay.
Well, hold up. I'm finna go see if they can hear you. Hold up. Okay, say something.
Hi everybody, my name is Vaughn. Hope you like William Scott's video.
Okay, if you guys heard that, then yeah. If you guys didn't hear that, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, let's just get into this. And sorry for the lacking. It's just that it's this iPad. Like I got too much stuff downloaded on here, but yeah, I'm waiting for this thing to freaking turn on because the thing needs to turn on. So come on, hurry up. Okay, you know what? I may pause right now because it's not gonna work. But just hold up a minute. I'm gonna just pause. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Okay, it's right here. And yeah, I'm playing Subway Servers, and I'm gonna get on here. Get 3 for free. Yay! I got 4. Okay, I'm gonna go turn the volume up. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear. Okay, so now we're gonna play Subway Surfers, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, we're coming, we're going. And you know what? This time I'm gonna make it to about like 1,000 maybe. So yeah, watch closely. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So yeah.
He needs subscribers, everybody.
And yeah, my cousin said he needs subscribers. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and you get notified on the air. You'll be the first person to be notified about my video and get to see it first. And I do it first, like.
Yeah.
But even though he's not on here right now, like somebody. Well, sorry, I need to concentrate. But I subscribed to a man's name. His name is Cole Bonner Money 456. I'll put that in the description below. But yeah, subscribe to his channel. I love his videos. But he didn't do anything. He didn't do anything like I'm doing. Like the reason I'm doing this is because of him. Like I want to follow in his footsteps. But dang it, I don't even know why I'm spinning all my keys right now. This is the last time I'm spinning my keys, but this thing keep on lagging. But I'm sorry about that. But okay, so I'm starting things off. Okay.
Hey, Junior, I'm gonna call you back in like 5.
Okay.
Hang up.
Yeah. Dang it. Don't die. Don't die. Okay. He said, bye everybody, so, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna blow up this. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I doubled up that, and I got 2 times Tricky's hat. And double prize. Collect 1 more to unlock Tricky, and you got and tap to continue. Oh, you don't notice? I've been doing it on another device, so sorry about that. But yeah. let me see this. Super Mystery Box Mania. Go search in the subway. You know, I'll just go one more time. You know. Yeah, but let's just go. Come on, don't die. Don't die this quickly. I'm doing one more so. Cause I gotta get in the tub, you know. You already know I'm just only 10, so. Oh yeah, looks like, what you call it? Sorry about that. Oh well, you probably don't hear it, but. Yes. Like a pro. Okay, one more time. Okay, so you guys, I got, okay, so I got that, and just to be sure, just tell you, I am not being a pro. But, yeah, that's all. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, this is the part 3. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. So, bye, everybody.